Hey guys, Ron here. So I started making my parts. Then I got 3 machines going. I need two more machines. I'm making Sony ears for the Ivo dog. I'm making a 2 sets of Sony ears, and a guy wanted a pair of Poke hands for something he's working on. I'm getting paid for all of these, so that's good. Quick tip. I printed along, no problem. And after about 3-4 layers, everything was selling nice, no problem. I had a little bit of lifting after about the 4th layer. So, I keep a soldering iron on hand, heat, instant heat, and just gently you can, if you get an area that starts to lift, you can heat it up and bring it down gently, which I did. This side is lifting, and now it's fine. It's just everything was staying fine. It's not worth killing the whole print because after an hour and a half or so, because it's a very small lift from them. So keep the soldering iron on hand. You also make a flat tip. It's like a shovel end, and you can press it down. Also, keep the bed heat. I keep the bed at about 60, 63 C. You just press this down as it's printed. You can just put some pressure on. Keep an eye on it. Once you get to the base set, this thing will run fine now for however long it takes, 12 hours. Actually, it's a 17-hour print. Alright guys, so just a quick tip. Just stick, and you gotta adjust the bed on the fly sometimes, but you gotta do what you gotta do, keep your eye on things. But the soldering iron trick is really good. Alright, out for now.